Hey everyone, welcome to the Home Tech Guy, where we uncover the latest and greatest gadgets. In today's video, we're embarking on an exciting journey as we unveil the 10 high-tech indoor and outdoor gadgets. From home decoration to outdoor playing gadgets, we have all covered. Get ready to discover the features that make these gadgets a must-have for all. Don't miss and stay tuned till the end to make your tech experience more convenient and enjoyable. Number 10, ZipString. Our adventure begins with ZipString, the fidget toy that defies gravity. Featured on Shark Tank, this string rope launcher loop fidget toy defies gravity and embraces the vibrant bodacious blue color, promising to ignite your imagination like never before. It promises to ignite creativity and captivate both kids and fidget enthusiasts, making it the perfect gift for those seeking a captivating playtime experience. Number 9, Mini Drone Toy. Next up, get ready to be amazed by the Athleria Mini Drone Toys. Designed for ages 8 to 18, this UFO-inspired magic flying orb ball with captivating lights. Equipped with features like hover boomerang and a fidget flying spinner, it's an adventure waiting to happen. Perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or any occasion, this gadget is a dream come true for young explorers. Number 8, Portable Power Bank. Now, let's talk about a powerhouse of convenience, the 38,800 mAh solar charger battery pack. Tailored for outdoor enthusiasts, this portable charger with a DC 5V 3.1 ampere USB-C fast charge ensures you're always connected. Dual LED bright flashlights are the cherry on top, making it perfect for your hiking and camping adventures. With this gadget, never worry about running out of power in the great outdoors. Stay connected, it's time to illuminate your adventures. Number 7, Instant Photo Printer. Let's dive into the world of instant memories with the Kodak Step Slim Instant Mobile Color Photo Printer. Imagine capturing moments on the go and wirelessly printing them on 2x3-inch zinc paper directly from your iOS or Android device. This sleek, white wonder combines modern technology with nostalgic photo printing, delivering vibrant, full-color prints with every click. Share memories instantly, stick them on your wall, or gift them to loved ones. This printer brings your photos to life, making every moment unforgettable. Number 6, RGB Flying Disc. Ready to light up your playtime? The Tozy Flying Disc takes Frisbee to a whole new level with its mesmerizing display of 16 million color RGB or 360 LEDs, making each throw a vibrant spectacle. Day or night, this disc shines bright, thanks to its auto light-up feature and smart modes, ensure an electrifying experience. The best part? It's rechargeable, ensuring endless hours of fun for men, boys, teens, and kids alike. Make your outdoor adventures unforgettable and celebrate birthdays or camping trips with the magic of the Tozy Flying Disc. Number 5, Night Vision Goggles. For our young spies and adventurers, we have the Uton Night Vision Goggles, an absolute game changer in spy gear. Equipped with an adjustable elastic band and built-in LED light beams, these goggles are perfect for undercover missions and thrilling spy roleplay. The flip-out lights and green lens add an element of mystery and excitement to your escapades. These goggles are a gateway to a world of imaginative play and endless spy adventures. Number 4, Plasma Ball. Looking to add a touch of science and art to your space? The Plasma Ball is a captivating blend of science and art. This 3-inch wonder is both USB and battery-powered, making it versatile for any setting. Whether it's for home decoration or enhancing parties, the touch-sensitive plasma lamp creates a captivating spectacle. Watch as the electric currents dance to your touch, creating an educational yet enchanting experience for kids and adults alike. The plasma ball promises to be a conversation starter and a center of attention in any room. Brighten up your space and let the magic unfold with the plasma ball. Number 3, Magnetic Levitating Speaker. Let's elevate your auditory experience with the Magnetic Levitating Speaker. This isn't just a speaker, it's a mesmerizing marvel. Picture a wireless, floating Bluetooth speaker defying gravity with a captivating 360-degree rotation. Its sleek black design and colorful flashing lights sync with the beats, enhancing your listening pleasure. Ideal for the modern audiophile, this gadget redefines your soundscapes. Number 2, Smart Table Light. Imagine waking up to the perfect blend of technology and tranquility, the Smart Sound Machine Wake Up Light Alarm Clock. This elegant white table lamp, controllable through a user-friendly app, is an experience in itself. With a 15-watt fast wireless charger, your devices are always charged and ready. But here's the kicker, a built-in Bluetooth audio alarm clock that immerses you in the perfect wake-up melody. Ideal for the modern office or bedroom, this gadget is the ultimate gift for both adults and kids seeking a seamless, harmonious morning routine. Number 1. Virtual Reality Set. Now, hold on to your seats, because we're about to delve into the future of virtual reality with the Meta Quest. This cutting-edge device redefines the immersive experience, taking you on an unforgettable journey. With the Meta Quest, you're not just playing games, you're stepping into a whole new dimension. Picture a world where you can explore, interact, and compete with unprecedented realism and precision. And there you have it, our 10 high-tech indoor and outdoor remarkable gadgets. Each one offers a unique blend of technology, creativity, and fun, catering to various interests and age groups. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments section. If you enjoy this video, give a thumbs up for inspiration. If interested in technology and gadget reviews, stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and clicking on the bell icon for more tech adventures on our channel. Until next time, tech on!